Get itchy just talking about poison ivy. Well, here's how to get rid of it. First of all, sometimes poison ivy can be these great big vines that crawl up a tree. We had a vine that was probably 25 foot tall. And I was like, oh my gosh, how are we going to, we start thinking, it's like, oh, we're going to pull it down and then we're going to get all full of poison ivy. And that's not what to do. If you have a large climbing vine of poison ivy, you've got to cut it at the base. And look, wear gloves, put on a mask, do whatever you can. There are some people that don't get poison ivy. I don't know very many, but again, you want to make sure that you have a long sleeve shirt on, and that you don't want to get that oil on you. So if you have one of those large climbing vines of poison ivy that are going up a tree, you have to cut every stem along the base, even if it's thick. And then, this is the one thing that's special about this product, and it's Bonide's Brush Killer 32. What you do is that you apply it and you actually paint the stems, and that it will absorb into the stem, into the root, and will kill the plant. Now, because you cut it off, you don't need to worry about the top part, but it's the root system that's underneath the ground where you need to cut and paint those stems, and you'll get rid of it. Now, Brush Killer 32 works on other types of weeds like poison ivy, poison oak, kudzu. Where's Laura? She had a problem with kudzu. It grows 2 feet a day. It's crazy. And it were wild blackberries. I have a problem with wild blackberries, but they're mixed with my forsythia, so I can't spray them. And there's over 240 other tough weeds that it controls. Now, again, the uniqueness is that you can apply it to the stems after you cut them, but you can also spray it, and it also will work that way. So it's a great product, and again, that's Bonide Brush Killer BK32, both a spray and you use a paintbrush, and that you go ahead and you hit the stems, and it will work from that stem into the root and kill it. Great product.